In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Commodities. By the end, you'll feel comfortable finding major commodity markets, understanding what you're looking at, and placing a basic trade with confidence. First, open the eToro app on your phone or head to the eToro website in your browser. Log into your account as you normally would. If you're on the web, make sure you're using a secure connection and take a moment to confirm you're on the official site before entering your details. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access the full range of markets. Next, let's find a commodity. Look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click or tap it, then type in what you want to explore. Common choices include gold, oil, natural gas, or silver. As you type, you'll see results populate in real time. Alongside those, you may also notice related markets like gold, non-expiry, oil, non-expiry, copper, and platinum. The non-expiry label typically indicates a continuous contract that doesn't roll on a set monthly schedule, helping you follow the market without worrying about specific expiration dates. Pick the instrument that aligns with what you want to trade, keeping an eye on the exact name so you know you're selecting the right market. Now open the commodities page by clicking the asset such as gold or oil. Here, you'll see a live price chart that you can switch across different timeframes to spot trends and momentum. Below or alongside the chart, you'll find buy and sell buttons, along with market information. Take a moment to scan the market info section. It often includes the day's range, percentage change, and other useful context that helps you gauge volatility and recent movement. This is a good place to get oriented before making any decisions. When you're ready to place a trade, click the Invest button. If you believe the price will rise, choose Buy. If you think the price is likely to fall, choose Sell. That choice sets your direction and is the core of your trade idea. Before you confirm, double-check that the asset and direction match your plan. Keep in mind that commodity prices can move quickly, especially around news or inventory data, so it's wise to be mindful of risk and the potential for rapid swings. That's all there is to it. Log in, search for your commodity, open its page to review the chart and market info, then click Invest and choose Buy or Sell based on your view.